Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the access. ActDB file and placing it in a trusted location so Excel can read it. Make sure the file is closed. In Excel, go to Data, get data from Database, then from Microsoft Access Database. Once done, browse to the file and open it. You will be prompted to choose a table or query. Choosing a query gives cleaner data. Make sure to pick Transform Data if you need column edits. Otherwise, choose Load to pull raw data into Excel. Once the data preview appears, use Power Query to shape it. Remove unwanted columns, rename fields to consistent names, and set data types to prevent type errors. You can apply filters and split or merge columns. These steps reduce problems later. If you know M code, open Advanced Editor to fine-tune transformations. Make sure to set Load Destination. Load directly to a worksheet table, to the data model for analysis, or as connection only when combining multiple sources. You finish by choosing Refresh Behavior. Manual, refresh on file open, or schedule background refresh. This controls how Excel stays synced with Access. Save the connection and workbook, then build pivot tables, charts, or formulas using the loaded table or data model. Make sure relationships in Access are reflected by using queries or by building relationships in data model. If something goes wrong, check if the Access file is open/locked. Verify credentials and table names, and confirm column data types match between sources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.